Hello viewers, Flipkart's Big Billion Days sale or Amazon Great Indian Festival sale are currently running. Many people have bought their desired products, but some of the users could not purchase their favorite tablet. And now some of them are out of stock and the prices of some products have increased. So many people are asking me whether they should buy the higher price product or they should wait for the next sale. And also some users are asking me when the product will be available. It happens in every sale that the product which are available for discount get out of stock because the stocks are limited. In my previous video, I have clearly mentioned that you should buy any product at the earliest opportunity to get the best deals and offers. However, some users could not buy the products, maybe because of debit card or credit card issue, or maybe that they did not have enough amount to buy them. Suppose you want to buy iPad 10th generation 64GB Wi-Fi version. In that case, you may get that tablet from Amazon.in, but when the sale started on Amazon.in, the price was 26,999 rupees after using SBI credit card. But currently the price of this product is 27,999 rupees after using SBI credit card. And in Flipkart, the product is selling on a very higher price. So I will recommend you to buy the product iPad 10th generation from Amazon.in. And if you want to buy the 256GB version, the price of iPad 10th generation is about 44,000 rupees on Flipkart.com. So a lot of users actually want to know whether they should buy iPad 10th generation at 44,000 rupees. My answer is no. Don't buy this product at this very high price. The price will definitely decrease at any time, maybe during this sale or maybe any other time. So if you want to know about the latest deals and offers on any tablet, you can subscribe the channel. I will let you know whenever there is a deal or offer on any tablet. Some users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE. So they asked me that the product is currently out of stock in Amazon.in. So should they wait for the next sale or should they buy at a higher price? About Tab S9 FE, I will suggest you not to buy this tablet above 20,000 rupees because you are getting it at 19,999 rupees after using SBI credit card. So definitely the price will go down in future, not increase. And many people have bought Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 FE Plus, 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage with Wi-Fi variant at 21,500 rupees in Flipkart.com using HDFC credit card. Actually, there was 7,000 rupees cashback on HDFC credit card. So this was a great opportunity for people to buy this tablet. But many people have already bought this tablet and some are left behind. So they are asking me that the product is currently selling at 28,000 rupees. So should they buy this tablet at 28,000 rupees? I will suggest you not to buy this tablet at 28,000 rupees because the price will definitely come down and you will get this product at around 21,000 rupees. If you want to buy an iOS tablet under rupees 20,000, in that case you can buy iPad 9th generation, but it is a very old device. In the long run you will not get software updates, so you have to be aware about it. Otherwise it is a very good tablet. It comes with a 13 Bionic chipset which is very powerful and you can do all your tasks within 20,000 rupees. This is one of the greatest options right now. So in the conclusion, should you buy any tablet at the higher price? The answer is no. You should wait for a few days and you will definitely get the deal on these products. I will let you know about the best deals and offers on tablets. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.